The ASUS ProArt focuses on professional use for content creation, and this is the ProArt 279CRV. It's a 4K IPS monitor for users who want full and accurate gamut coverage. The monitor is elegant and sleek, while the build quality is excellent. The exterior is mostly plastic, aside from the base. The stand supports ergonomic adjustment for height, tilt, swivel, and pivot. The monitor's specifications are similar to most professional content creation monitors available today. It provides a 4K resolution, a 60Hz refresh rate, supports HDR10, it's CAM and verified, and factory pre-calibrated. As for the specs, I'll have them listed on the screen so you can stop the video to check them out. For the content of the box, you'll find your color pre-calibration report, a DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, power cord, quick release stand, quick start guide, USB-C cable, warranty card, and your welcome card. Connectivity options on this monitor is extensive. It comes with a USB-C port, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and 2 DisplayPorts 1.4. One of the DisplayPorts serves as an input, while the other is an output that can be used to connect a second display. The USB port supports DisplayPort alternate mode for video input and provides up to 96 watts of USB power delivery. The ProArt menu provides a ton of image calibration and tuning options. It includes multiple preset modes that target the sRGB, Adobe RGB, Rec 2020, DCI P3, DICOM, and Rec 709 color gamuts. The menu also includes a set of professional tools called Quick Fit Plus. This includes several center markers, rulers, and safe area modes. There are 6 physical clicky buttons and a joystick for your menu access, all located on the front bezel. These buttons and joysticks makes navigation a breeze. The PA279CRV manages to deliver image quality that's useful for professionals, artists, and creators. The color gamut presets save you the stress of having to calibrate the monitor out of the box. Even though the monitor was not made for gamers, you can still get some decent gaming done with this monitor. The PA279CRV comes with a 60Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync. I'll be maxing out the settings on the Modern Warfare first-person shooter, and the next couple of clips will be me gaming on the monitor. Overall, the ASUS ProArt PA279CRV is an excellent choice for professionals who want top-shelf performance. Its crisp and vibrant IPS panel offers stunning color quality, plus it's loaded with useful features that you may actually use. That's our take on the PA279CRV. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stay tuned for more videos.